Ryan Breton has our full look at the forecast. Very cool start to the day. I think it was 1 degree when I woke up this morning.
It was super cold, but what was interesting to me is that even though it was really cold this morning, made a pretty decent recovery, and that's because the air was really dry today. So you might have noticed chapped lips, need a little extra moisturizer. Freiburg, probably the best example of this. We see this a lot in the spring and fall, where Freiburg can have huge temperature swings. But today, pretty impressive too. 43 degrees warmer this afternoon than it was there early this morning. Right now, it's 24 in Portland, 23 in Bangor, teens in the mountains and up north. It's still clear now, and it will be a cold night, but not nearly as cold as we were last night. The coldest of the cold starting to move away, and as high pressure slips offshore, mild air will move in, and it'll stick around for a couple of days. But what's interesting now is that our weather pattern is different than it was much of the last 2 months. We actually have a pretty big storm which will travel to our northwest, and I don't think we've seen this in at least 2 months or so, and that means mostly rain coming up Wednesday into Thursday. So low temperatures tonight in the teens for most of us on the coastline, single digits inland, so if you'll be out late tonight or early tomorrow morning, it certainly will be cold. This is the map at 6 o'clock in the morning. We'll have some sunshine for a while, first half of the day tomorrow, and then clouds will come in during the afternoon, but it is going to warm up. I think we hit at least 40 for most of us on the coastline and get close to 40 degrees inland. Tomorrow evening, some showers will develop, and it will be cold enough for snow showers in the mountains. There could be a coating to an inch in the mountains and in the higher elevations, but any showers to the south are likely to be just in the form of rain. Now, Wednesday morning, temperatures in the valleys in particular may be right around freezing, so there could be a few icy spots far inland Wednesday morning, and then we'll warm up into the 40s as rain develops on Wednesday, and there's really nothing stopping the warm air from coming in. So we're looking at quite a bit of rain, especially Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday night. That's probably when the heaviest round of rain will come through. Could start the day on Thursday with some steady rain, but this likely tapers off to just some showers Thursday afternoon. And there will be a gusty wind out of the south Thursday morning as this comes through. Right now, it doesn't look too concerning for power outages, but it certainly will be windy as that goes by. On the backside of the system on Friday, we turn colder again, not as cold as today, and it will be windy with a wind out of the west-northwest on Friday. So it looks like in general about 3/4 of an inch to 1.25 inches of rain coming up, but there could be some spots that get 1.5 inches or 2 inches in localized spots. And obviously, with all the snow on the ground, one of the big concerns is how much of that snowpack will we lose? And this is one computer model projection taking you into Friday morning, showing we probably lose most, if not all, of the snowpack near the coastline. But in the mountains, the snowpack is deep and cold, so a lot of it will probably absorb the rain and it won't melt completely there. And that's a good thing. It means that flooding from rain is unlikely in this setup, but we could have some ice jams from rivers, ice breaking up on some of the rivers and streams as that comes through Thursday in particular. So we'll keep you posted on that, but right now it's not a big concern. Tomorrow, clouds increase, upper 30s to low 40s. We'll end the day with some showers, especially in the mountains. And then rain develops on Wednesday, the heaviest likely Wednesday night. Colder behind that system with maybe a flurry on Friday. Right now, the weekend looks dry but seasonably cold. And don't forget, we turn the clocks ahead an hour, which means we get the later sunsets. I just don't like losing an hour on the weekend. So
it's pretty brutal on the other side. All right, Ryan, thank you.